potatoes were harmed in the making of this video.
This is a behind the scenes!
Behind the scenes of Danielle's video.
So now she's getting ready to become my dad.
I am the fun. I've kind of always wanted to do that.
Oh, that's funny.
Isn't it great?
That's cool, yeah. Hi, myself. How you doing?
How's it going?
Good.
I should go scare Jason.
Yes! We're gonna go scare Jason.
Ow!
Huh?
Jason!
Did you call me? Oh.
I love you, like, I expect no less from you guys.
You guys are funny, you know that?
We're actually gonna film and she's pretending to be dead.
Yeah, I'm.
You're pretending to be dead.
Yeah.
Where's the cane?
I know. I'm gonna
was
go
like,
get
I
it.
was just
Cane. Let me go get it. Where's
You need the cane.
It's
You're
hanging.
You're missing something. It's not complete.
Da, 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 da. Alright, okay. I'm sorry. What am I doing?
Laughing!
Oh.
Don't do that either! Don't look at me! Don't look at me! Okay.
Women.
See that? That's just a potato. It will be on fire soon. Those are just apples.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, jeez. Give me my potato.
Okay.
I can do this.
You can do this.
I understand Dan and Phil so much better now. Okay.
I did it wrong one moment.
Whatever. Hold the friggin' potatoes! How long do you heat up a potato in the microwave? No, you don't come back. I'm gonna cut to a different... Don't come back, Dad. Leave. Run while you still have a chance.
Serious time, guys.
Serious time.
It's seriousness. Serious business.
Guys checking themselves out.
Yeah.
You're walking way too fast. Oh my god.
Well, he was in a hurry. It was in a hurry.
When he's in a hurry, he's like. He's usually just like.
For about 10 minutes. See you later.
Hey Dad, how long do you heat up a potato in the microwave?
For about 10 minutes. See you later.
Cool. Thanks, Dad. Okay, cool. Awesome.
Why is your dad so grumpy?
What? Like in
No,
real life?
no.
Okay. I was like, he's not like grumpy.
Because I'm like,
She was. Stop.
well, see you later. Da-da-da-da-da.
No lightsabers were harmed during the making of this movie.
But we were.